Alright, I think I have everything set up. What's up, Neeks?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Pretty good. I made my first TikTok, and it
Oh, really?
is hilarious. Yeah, I made a TikTok last night on the Intel trade options trade we picked up,
Oh, nice.
because it definitely was insider trading. Okay, where are... Dang, we got some nice movement overnight, didn't we?
Yeah, we had news or something at 5:30.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
Oh, look, give me a sec. Unemployment claims.
Oh, wow. Holy
Mm-hmm.
fuck, dude. That was an awesome... Ha! And it filled that fucking gap. God damn it. Shoulda known. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, young Neeks.
Happens.
Yeah, true that. You sound tired, buddy.
Oh, I'm super tired. I just woke up. Takes me a minute.
Yeah, not gonna lie, I woke up like 15 minutes ago. Usually I'm up earlier, but I was up pretty late last night. Alright, so big gap up. We filled those two gaps. I thought we were gonna fill the higher one yesterday, but we didn't. But we filled it overnight tonight. So 18,357 is where we're currently sitting at. Let's see. Dang, NQ's up 325 points from the low on Tuesday.
That's fucking wild.
That is wild. That's pretty awesome.
Curious if we're gonna retrace this news move or if we're just gonna grind higher. I can see both
I
happening.
hope we get a little pullback and then
Mm-hmm.
long the fuck out of it. Just where it'll pull back to, that's what I'm trying to look for now. Yesterday was such a weird day.
Yeah, I saw your review video. It was really slow.
Yeah, but then it like went all in. I was like, what the fuck, dude? But yeah, that like 2 hours of just straight sideways. I've never seen it only print like 20 Renko bars in 2 hours. It's like, this doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's like mega slow.
Yeah, it's craziness. I didn't take any trades on my Apex yesterday.
How many do you have?
Huh?
How many accounts do you have?
Oh, four. Not a lot.
That's not bad.
But I'm probably gonna blow two of them up tomorrow. Doing the degen. I
Let's
might buy a
go.
couple more. They're doing that stupid ass sale still.
Hmm.
Yo, yo, what's up, guys?
What's up, deal? How we doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah, Brian, I can't hear you. So disconnect and reconnect from the stream. Mine, that's what mine makes me do every time I start the stream.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah, dude. It does that to me and I don't know why.
Thanks. Okay, cool. It's like losing my mind. I'm like, what the fuck, man?
Yeah, that's why every morning I'll start and then I'll jump out and then I'll join back in and it fixes it. I don't know why.
So is today going to be like yesterday where it's like just search for a pullback to go long again? Like, crazy.
I hope not. I usually don't do good on those kind of days. Here's a short trap.
I literally was just, that's crazy. I was just looking at it. We come over that blue dot down, get a star down.
I caught that from 553.
Nice.
Yeah, my entry would have been 53 too. We should have took it. Damn.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Right here,
Ping
support though. So
pong.
maybe look for a long if we bounce here aggressively. I have a stop right here at 42, which I'm not trying to hold too long. So I think today may just be an up day. This may just be consolidation before new highs. So let's see what happens here. Because I only took one contract, so I want to like secure. Let's see. Breaks 528. I think it goes lower, but we'll see. And I'm out.
I'm gonna take 42.25 light.
Short or long?
Long. No fill. Do any of you guys know what the policy is for like swinging a futures trade? Like how much money do you have to have?
Or
On a
what?
funded?
No, on like a cash.
I'll find out. Hold on.
I've never done it before, but like say if I swung like 2 minis or 3 minis or I don't know, what is it just per mini?
So that's day versus initial, right?
I have no idea.
Like if you're day trading and then Q says it's 1,000, but if I'm looking at the Trade-Evate website, Trade-Evate, obviously the day margin is 1 grand, and then it says initial is 19,000
Okay, so you need 19 G's in order. Jesus Christ.
to swing one contract. Yeah.
I mean, so I could swing like 3, 2.5. That's fucked. That's
So you took 42 long, right, Matt?
yeah, with 3, not much. See if we can push it back up. I want 600. Actually, I want to scale and then I want a pullback and then I want 600.
Double bottom here. Potential upside.
I hope so.
I'd love to see us come up to the 60s again and double top and take a short.
Yeah, I'd be cool with that.
I posted it in the futures chat.
What you're looking for?
Yes, sir.
Cool. I don't know though. This does not look great.
Yeah, geez, NFP tomorrow.
What I want.
What time? What time is that tomorrow?
8:30.
Hour before the open.
I'll probably trade that. Like, I'll probably put an order above support, or sorry, above resistance, and order below support, and try to catch like a major move.
You on Apex?
Top step.
I don't think they let you trade news, man.
I trade every news event on Top Step.
You got some fucking cojones, Brian. I would not do that, but you do.
Matt's seen me catch 100-point moves from news.
Yeah. This is very true. Oh, I'm about to get stopped. Hey, thank you, Dylan, for that comment.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know. I keep making them and nobody fucking puts any emojis or like says anything about them. So I'm like, am I wasting my fucking time?
No, I like them a lot.
All right, if one person likes them, I'll keep doing them.
Oh, the trade reviews?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch them every day. Sorry.
I mean, no, that's good to know. Like, I just never get any, reaction to them, so I had no clue.
Yeah, no, I watch them every day.
Try to keep them super short and sweet.
Charles has put a bunch of funny fucking animal emojis on them. I love that cat one with the mouth open. It's fucking hilarious.
I love it.
The dog with his tongue, bro.
I like the alien dancing. That's my favorite one.
Yeah, that one's cool.
That one's so funny.
I love how like tiny microscopic like emojis are giving us like happiness. It's hilarious.
Dude, I went to like put an emoji on something and I saw like Floh had all these emojis and I was like, what the fuck. And I texted it in like our admin group chat. I was like, who did this? Like, this is so cool. Dustin sent me like a smiley face back. I was like, oh, that's so sick.
There's a Pepe scam. That's funny.
Dude, I love it.
Oh my god, there's a hand touching grass. That's fucking hilarious. This is some nonsense right now, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I regret trading this trade.
I almost took a stab putting an order up with you, but I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, that's why I took it light. Not gonna hurt me.
Mm,
The 5-minute chart looks weird with all these wicks. Yo, the aliens are dancing in sync.
I know, it's exactly what I was looking at.
Oh, can't make this shit up.
Yeah, Charles. Where's the
Alright.
fucking fib tool
I
on
got
Trade of A? What is
stopped.
this? Oh, drawing tool. I'm gonna buy a pullback to the 50% retrace. See if it works.
From the Gapo?
Now from this move on news at 507 is my entry.
I actually do not hate that.
Taking it light, one contract. I'm gonna go for 10 points.
Nvidia's
You guys are searching for long or short?
Either or.
I didn't get filled, but yeah, I'll take anything this way.
Nice is looking at a long off the 50 retrace from
Mm-hmm.
the move of the news.
Like 382 might be a more conservative, but still try it.
I had a sell stop at break a support at 2650, rode it to 08 and flattened just one contract.
2.6, oh, 20, okay.
Yeah, it break a support where it kept kind of finding support, so I left it there, and then we rolled pretty quick, so it worked in my favor.
Noticing a pattern with you, Brian.
Yeah, I don't always play that type of trading, but
No, what I'm saying is you don't announce out
high
loud
risk
your
because
trades until they're already done or they've worked. You don't tell
bec-
us before you're in.
no, because it's high risk. That's the issue. Like
I mean, it doesn't matter. That's what we do, you know? We take stops. It's part of the process.
He
Okay.
said,
Oh.
I noticed a pattern with you.
That's true. That's true. Some stuff I don't say.
I've called Dylan out for the same shit. He'll like, what are you doing anything? He's like, yeah, I took a few. I'm like, dude, you got to tell us what you're looking at. Like, while we're all here.
I agree. That is why we're all on the stage.
I would look for
hilarious.
I would look for a short. I would look for a short at 2,650 again. If we reject there, I would probably enter a short. If we get up to 2,650 and can't break above the IB low, I would just short it, regardless of what the
Got you.
algo shows.
550, right?
Hold on one sec. Uh, 52650.
Okay.
So if we
okay,
if we
yeah.
get if we get up to if we get up to what was support and we reject, I'd probably go
Yeah.
short, depending on what the delta is also on these bars. So
Yeah, like 535 to 550 per short.
There's Dylan.
Damn. It was
You're up.
3 ticks away from that
Yeah.
07 entry, and it would be up all 15 points.
Yeah.
Whatever. I'm just gonna cancel it. The move is already gone.
Bing bong. Money isn't real.
Morning, Tasia.
Pump it.
maybe short below here, like 506 ish.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Brian.
Yeah.
Nick, you're foul for that.
Isn't that fucking hilarious?
He probably wouldn't even know.
No, probably not. Because doesn't he run the Zoom at the same time?
Yeah, I don't even know, dude.
Like, why is he so worried about having his own shit?
Don't know, don't care.
I don't get it. Ugh, I need something to happen here. This is getting boring.
Bing bong, money isn't real. I really like that, Brian. Where's where's VIX at?
It's oversold, so I mean we're due for some downside, but you know, that doesn't mean shit as of late. So
Yeah. What is the
But yeah.
actual price?
13.99.
Okay,
You know we're
it's
yeah
not
we're
great.
oversold, so it's got to go up a little bit. But again, when fuck knows. You know, it hasn't really mattered lately. Stochastic looks like it's curling for upside action here. It's telling you to go
Bro, that
long.
fucking 07 actual entry got 20 points. Fuck.
Yeah, that was a solid idea.
Yeah, that's all right. We'll consider it a mental dub.
Here you
Wish
go.
we made some real money though.
Apple looks good, Microsoft looks good, Amazon doesn't look like anything, Tesla looks like shit, Nvidia, nice pullback. See if we need
Yeah,
Nvidia
Tesla's
to
been on a
catch it
fucking.
good.
Jeez. Simon, would you have to come in and ruin it? Could have put an alien.
Yeah, one of them. Should have put an alien. The alien is the way.
It is.
So Brian, you took 28. Because that 3 point.
No, because there's not enough volume, and yeah, the delta's negative. I see like negative 51 compared, but the last green bar was 159. So you could see like there's not enough volume pushing it up, and you could see it wicked down, but like delta's negative 51, negative 40 versus the previous green bars, which are 159, 164. Much more. So to me, it looks like it's going to bounce. I want to get a move that's going to like really move down. But yeah, it did play. I mean, you could have caught. How many points is that from 32?
12.
Like,
40.
yeah, I mean, so
Hold on.
give or take.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah,
A
about
little
that
bit more.
maybe. Yeah. So you could have, yeah.
I have a
2.6.
I have a chart that shows some delta stuff.
Well, it's on the algorithm. Simon just has it hidden.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
you know. Yeah.
So is that what you have on hidden? Or do you look at this on
Yeah. No, I have it unhidden. So my stuff looks like this. Hold on.
Do you have it at the bottom?
On the top.
On the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll post it in the chat thing. Give me one sec.
I'm gonna hide my.
And then on my Rango 24, I have them on the bottom. Yeah.
So this is what I want.
Damn, dude. If the 24 had gotten one more bar up with that trade idea, it would have been a great entry.
Would have been money.
Yeah, it would have been great.
I'm fucking with my charts. Waiting to download historical data.
Dylan, what do you got, man? Have you taken anything?
I took a short off the open around like 940.
Oh, so you got shit on, didn't you?
No, no, I caught the drop from like
Oh
five.
shit!
Like,
Sorry, my time value was wrong. I was looking at the. No, never mind. Nice. Yeah, you gotta be close to passing that account, right? Probably a couple grand away.
yeah,
Sweet.
Whoa. My seer does not like what's going on.
What's up with your charts? I'm
I'm not sure. I tried to add a new chart in and it didn't like it. At all, actually.
Asia looking long, 28.25, 2 contracts, stop at 15. So your stop is okay. Godspeed, Tasia. Godspeed. Tasia, I thought you were on the algo as well. You have the icon. Are you using the footprint as well?
Yeah, he does both.
Oh, right on.
He's been doing tracking some of the stuff Ronnie's looking at with the footprint.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's literally identical to Ronnie's chart.
Yes, sir. It's pretty cool to look at.
Yeah, it is cool.
Alright, if I didn't fuck this up, yeah. I think I might have to change the values around. But, yellow dots on my 24 show delta divergence.
Oh, really? You got those in?
Yeah, I just added it. Thing I want to see. Settings. Data limiting.
Or a betting man, I'd say shorts are going to pay here in a little bit, but that's just my guess. Sorry, Teja. Don't know if you're still on longs, but I guess. Come and get me.
Alright, I fixed the chart. What do you, Nix, what do you use as your start time on your chart?
My start time?
Yeah, have you ever looked at that?
No. My session time is set to my time.
Yeah, I know, okay, I understand that, but like...
Yeah, what do you mean start time?
So mine starts at 9 Eastern, and then it ends at 8:59, 59:59. So is yours 6 Pacific, and then 5:59, 59:59?
Oh, yeah. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, start time is... No, actually, I need to adjust it.
That would probably explain why your data has been different.
How do I do that?
You go to session time, and then you change it.
Oh, yeah, my start time is 7, and it's 6:59:59 is the end.
So you're starting at 10 a.m. Eastern?
Shouldn't that? No, no, no. My time zone is Los Angeles. I'm gonna set to 6 though, so it's in 30 minutes before, and then I'm gonna end it at.
And if you're doing 6, do 5:59:59.
Okay. All right. I just reloaded it. All right. There we go. But
Is it still look different?
let me reload and recalculate. Where's your 24? It's the big one. Yeah, it's still a little bit different. Got a star down. 2 bars before where we are. Wait, how the fuck? Oh yeah, our bar is just closing at different values, that's why. My 24 closes right now at 29.25, yours at 30. If I have one more bar that you don't.
And that's because you're. Oh no, we're on the same data. You're on the. You have the
Yeah, I'm on
N, right?
Denali. Yeah, I'm on Denali.
That shit doesn't make any fucking sense to me.
Yeah, I mean, Dylan, do me a solid. Take a screenshot of your Sierra chart if you use the 24 and put it in the algo chat. I want to look at what you have right now. Compare it to myself and Matt's. Actually, Brian, same with you if you have the 24 up picture.
I'm gonna send my
Okay.
my settings. And then I also have 3 days loaded.
3 days loaded. I think I have the same as well. Let me check.
Alright, I just put mine in the algo chat.
Yeah, it's days to load for intraday chart type, right? Or data type.
Data limiting. Yeah, days to load.
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, -3. Yeah.
And then do you have evening session turned off so it says no on there in session times?
Let me double check one more time. Yeah, it says use using evening session no.
Okay, cool. I mean, those are the only things that would be different. So, I don't know. I'm closer to the exchange.
Yeah, that's our original theory.
Yeah, we're going back to it.
Yeah, whatever. But my fucking god, this is boring.
Yeah, this is terrible.
I think market's waiting for news tomorrow. Tasha's been in this long for like 4 hours at this point.
Yeah, Tasia, you're very
Oh, he got stopped. Never mind.
that.
Let me see, Brian's. Well, Brian's actually looks more similar to mine.
Yeah, this doesn't look like mine at all. But he doesn't have the M. He's CBV, no M.
Oh, yeah, mine's CBM. That's weird.
CBM or CBVM?
CBM. Or, sorry, 24 tickets CBVM. Footprint is
Yeah.
CBM. Yeah, CBVM.
Yeah.
That's weird. He has the 2 pink bars, which I have, but then I have a star down. He doesn't have that. And then his star down is 2 bars after mine. I don't fucking know. I'm over this shit. I don't care anymore.
Just trade your chart. Works for me. Mine works for me
Yeah.
at least.
Exactly.
Alright, this is insanely boring. I wonder if my TikTok had any views. Let's go look. Jesus. Oh, that's terrible. 0.
I took a stab at a short. This looks like it's getting heavy. I got in at 511. Get out at a clean 500. Gives it to me. This is going to be my probably only trade, though. This is super boring.
So, Brian,
Yo,
when you're looking when you're looking at the delta stuff, what do you? I think I've asked you this before, but I forgot your answer. But what are you looking? What are you doing? Explain it to me like I'm 4 years old.
I'm trying to see a change. So like I was saying before, the green bar is going up. I could see delta increasing 74, 164, and then it decreased immediately to negative 51. I want to see that continue. So like negative 51, negative 181, maybe negative 150. Like I want to see it continue versus switching to a green Renko at 200 positive, right? Like I want to see that go negative. So like, but at the same time, I'm watching this right now and would go short below what is support here, probably around 505. Because if we're able to break through 505 and not bounce, my assumption is that it's going to continue to roll, which it has been following that assumption. But it's kind of like what I look for personally.
Okay.
Like this morning, before the news came out, you could have placed a buy stop at above resistance around 18463. Like and you would have been good, right? Like you could have just left it break of resistance. Hold on 1 second, I need to read something. Pay $10 for new. Yeah, so that's kind of what I watch for.
Simon, can you put in an order to move the market? Charles, you're funny. Gotta give him the alien. Alright, 500.
Don't say it, man. They'll hear you and they'll edge me again.
Where's 5?
There we go. Sweet.
See, okay, so there we go. There we go.
Jesus. Oh, fuck
So,
you, dude.
there's my theory, right? 505, that's over 10 points. So, I mean, if you placed it right below support, there you go. So, I didn't because I'm doing other shit, but you get the gist.
Very nice. Very nice.
I like it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I should have held that. Fuck. Whatever.
Anybody else catch that in the audience?
I grabbed it.
See,
Good
so
work, Stape.
that was like a perfect example of like my theories on support and resistance. I don't know. Anyways.
Yeah, that was solid.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, you're just looking at the bottom of all those candle wicks at the.
But I also have a level there too from prior at 509.
Like previously from before this session.
From previously, yeah. So from like a prior level. So like I have a line drawn at 509, but we kept wicking below that, so I wanted to go a little below my trend line, which is 505, which is also below these candles. So if I have a level that's set from a prior, day, I'm paying attention to that also. So yeah.
I'm gonna try and always put an alien next to your alien so they're dancing together.
That's awesome.
I'm cracking up with this fucking dog that Charles keeps posting. I don't know why it's so funny to me. It's just so stupid looking. Nine people in the audience.
We're growing. 9 people on a day the market isn't moving like we like. I think I'll go though. I would be extremely surprised if they flushed this thing all the way down. Could happen, but I would be surprised. See if we can break 18,489 from all the volume here.
Mhm.
Hey, Tasia, can you look at that? Like 8:30, 40-ish, 8:40-ish. My new pipe dream.
Yeah, that'd be fucking funny. Dude, I've gotten so much more keen to seeing like inverse and regular head shoulder straps from watching your reviews, so I definitely get something out of it, that's for sure.
Dude, did you see the short one earlier?
Yesterday? No, I didn't watch yesterday. So let me look right now.
No, look at my chart. It was this morning. We fucked this up.
Oh yeah. Fuck.
That's perfect.
Well, that was what I exactly called out. I just wanted it to come a little bit higher.
Yeah.
I guess that left shoulder's like perfect too. Shit, I didn't even see that. I didn't even see the left side. I was just hoping it came up as like a double top. I didn't even see the left shoulder or whatever you want to call it. Whatever. As always next time.
Tasia, I think you just took a pretty solid trade. I was waiting for it to pull back a little bit farther before I got in, but I think that might be money. I wanted 93, a retrace on this blue dot
Hey.
up. Yeah, that was fucking sweet.
Looking short around like 520.
Short, you
Not
say?
bad, alright.
Maybe. Yeah, I mean, everything, yeah, pretty good.
If we can come up a little bit more like 15s and then
You looking for POC rejection?
Yeah, I got like those. I got 2 stars on my chart. I don't think you have that on the 24. But yeah, I got a market like 518 and then like 526.
Yeah, look at the blue dots on the 40. That's the same
Yep.
thing. News in 1 minute. What's the news? To the dashboard.
pretty sure there's no news.
What time is it? 10:30?
Yeah, I don't have shit.
Nothing. No,
Natural gas storage.
nothing. There's nothing. Garbage.
Yeah, no.
Garage.
Who said that?
Charles.
Charles, you're looking at the wrong day, my friend, I think.
No, there's a natural gas stocks exchange, whatever the fuck that means. Then there's 1130, an 8-week bill auction. Then there's a 4-week bill auction. Then there's a 15-year mortgage rate. A bunch of useless Barkin speaks at 12:15. The whole afternoon is full of a bunch of these jerk-offs. 2 o'clock, Mr. speaks. Goolsby at 12:45. Who allows that? Goolsby.
Yeah, it's a fucking horrendous name.
Yeah. Should not be allowed to be a Fed speaker.
So we like rejected that area of support, right? At like 5:15, 5:13.
Cage is long at 04, he says.
Tage is a demon with scalps. The worst part about trading is just sitting around waiting.
Such a good short.
Ronnie been? Dude blow up or what?
No, I don't think he blew up. So things to be weary of. We're not really getting much buying rotation. We're getting these tiny little lifts. There's nothing taking us to the other side of the range. So overall weakness right now. We're below the 5-day. I mean the 5-minute IB low. So things to keep into consideration. It does look a little dumpy. If this thing does dump out, I'm swinging calls into NFP. Like an unhealthy amount. This is the level that we need to beat for more downside though. This 18,489. And I found that from these guys. I took the POC of those two candles. And you can see it gives, so far it's giving some support. big upside resistance is this 18 right here.
Taking a short stab at 89. Stop is 500. I don't mind getting stopped though.
Yeah. I see what you're thinking.
Yeah. Not looking great so far though.
Are you in?
Mm-hmm. This shit just fade. Take my stop.
Yeah, that level, man.
Yeah, just could not break that.
Not yet, at least. Man. It's super suspect. I don't know. This isn't really doing much for me.
Yeah.
But then it did this shit yesterday, where it was just super weird and slow, and then they just like had these gnarly moves.
Double bottom on NQ.
We were just talking about that.
Yeah, it's just. I'm seeing here.
Where's top trade been at?
Not sure.
Is that French dude that you added, Brian?
Yeah.
He just joins the room, then he quits, and then he joins back, and then he quits, and then he joins back. It's so funny.
That is funny.
Who is he?
That Liv guy, the dude who held the mini for like
Oh, yeah.
negative 500 points.
Yeah, I remember that. I was like, oh my god.
Everybody
He doesn't
was
hold.
shitting
He
on him.
holds. He literally holds for like 3 minutes. Like he holds for no time. It's so weird. I don't get it.
Unless it's a lizard, he held all day.
I don't get that at all. I don't know why. Like he's had some good trades on like Tesla, and he sells. I don't understand. But then he held that like real stinker, and I'm like, dude, just hold. Like if you're in a trade that's actually good, just hold it. Like wait.
Yeah.
And then he held the fucking loser. I don't understand. But to each their does their thing. Everybody can do their own thing.
Dang, you think so, Tasia? Fuck that. Bing bong, is this real?
It isn't. It's fake.
Is Charles on the algo?
Yeah.
He's an algo guy.
Yes, sir.
That's your boy?
Mm-hmm.
FedEx homie?
What?
Alright, no?
What do you mean FedEx on me?
I heard you got a homie that works at FedEx that's been trading and has been killing it.
No, that's not me. Pretty sure Charles is like 20. How do you know this information? Wait, do you work at FedEx, Charles? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I thought. How do you know this information? Hey, I heard you were doing really good though. Keep it up. So that's why my packages are always y'all are day trading.
Hmm.
I like that. That's good. That's some funny shit.
That is funny.
That's why you motherfuckers throw my packages. Trying to run back to the truck to trade. Got fucking degenerate. Gotta get to my truck. Gotta trade.
I got zero DT SPX calls open.
I gotta go,
Yeah.
motherfucker.
If you sprint back to the trucks. That's funny.
Funny shit. Why is this not moving? Fuck.
Still holding as 18,489.
We gotta get past all this noise at 08 if we want to get see higher.
Yeah.
Just doesn't want to though.
It is. We need something to shake this thing up because there's going to be a lot of pressure trying to keep it down to 18, 518, 533. So we gotta make some. We gotta make some moves. But there's no speed. There's nobody's playing.
Yeah.
So we hit that news and had a massive run. What is that? 474.50 basically. 120 points. And now we're just slowly creeping down.
It's like crazy boring.
Sitting on the 60 retrace from the move. I mean, at this point, I fucking hope it dumps out. Just so we can get some. I hope we flush. I hope we just fall off, so that we can get some kind of movement.
Yeah. I don't disagree with you on that. know.
Because
Maybe
right
we're
now we're just chopped up and feels kind of just penned. But everything to me says downside. Lower
Yeah, I
high,
think
lower
I'm
high,
thinking-
lower high, like bust this fucking whatever level I got here. And let's see if we can get down to honestly just retrace the whole thing. Nah, that ain't gonna happen. Maybe like somewhere 450 if we're lucky. See, another blue dot forming on the 40. So I want that to close down. It's 84. That's smart, Charles. More downward pressure.
Every sign is pointing towards like shorts about to pay, but it just doesn't want to give the release.
Yeah. I didn't go over it in my trade review, but like when it was doing that sideways stuff, I was like so sure that we were gonna flush out. But I had a trade, and I was just so tired of watching like go up 10 points, then go down 10 points, then go up 12 points, and then go down 15 points.
Yeah.
But never stopped me. And after like the third or fourth time it made that stupid rotation, I was just like, I'm out of here. I just killed the trade. And I walked away, and I came back a little bit later. And I was like, well, that bet did exactly what I wanted. It just took forever. It's like every single target I had would have gotten hit. It's like, damn it. But I mean, this is just garbage. Look at the 5-minute chart.
That's horrible.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 45 minutes. We've just been in the same little.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15 candles in 45 minutes. This little range of 25 points. It's just garbage. Yeah. Can people in the audience like can they give like a thumbs up or a heart or something emoji? Like is that possible to do? Or just like a little thumbs up floats up?
What do you mean? Like in the chat?
No. Hold on.
No, not.
I'll be right back. Yeah, you can't do it.
Yeah.
Oh, and I killed my stream. Fuck. Sorry about that.
You did.
Hey, I'm sure we didn't miss anything. But everybody who's listening, the question I want to know, you guys see that this is not ideal, right? Like there's no reason to force a trade when the PA sucks. Sit on your hands. There we go. That's the response I wanted. Ed, you get an alien. So somebody's fighting here. They don't want to give it up, but they're getting zero lift. It's like a lost cause. They need to start breaking some of these levels. Break this, and then break this. Alright, at this point, just drop 100 points so that we can get some action. Yeah, okay, exactly, Tasia. One short for me, 538. Okay, that was a nice trade. That's solid. Yep. I have that 519 also. I got 18. Wait, you said there's a touch grass little emoji.
Mm-hmm.
That's fucking awesome. I need to get him to add some of the J-Pal ones. Those are pretty funny.
Since long on Disney, it's crazy.
Brian, are you still there?
Yeah.
You know the trippy labs, like the shroom thing? You ever seen that? I just sent you their Twitter.
You're watching them, or like what? What do you?
So have you heard anything about it before?
Yeah, I mean they launched and they've been sitting. I'm in. I just sent you something. I'm in right now.
Okay, cool. So my buddy that I put you in that group chat with
Mhm.
on Telly, he was hanging out with their founder last night. And he had some pretty cool things to say. But
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. They did a pre-sale, launched, and then did fuck all nothing. So I typically don't circle back to projects that end up like falling hard. You know, like I don't know. Maybe they do something, but I don't know. Their shit fell pretty hard, if I remember correctly.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said was with the founder all night. He said he's one of the first NFT artists and has a massive following for NFT. Became a Bitcoin whale early on. Blah blah blah.
Yeah, and their shit dropped and it fell
Yeah,
hard.
I know.
And I don't know. I like I said, I don't circle back to projects that can't hold or that don't. I don't know if they put all the liquidity in that they raised. I was in it and I lost money, so I don't circle back to them. That's cool though that they got to show them.
What about Fortnite?
What about what, sorry?
Fortnite.
Yeah, I mean I lost like fucking 15 soul on that. I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, I got some matches too.
That was by far like my biggest loss on a trade.
Yeah. Punks. Crypto pumps. He said, I texted him. I was like, Brian said they did a pre-sale and then did fuck all nothing. And he's like, yeah, they're definitely taking a different approach. Doesn't want to follow the typical meme path. But then again, I was off the shrooms and tequila and super bullish last night. 'Cause he texted me like fucking 2 a.m. Alright, still doing nothing. Shit, I make some of my best decisions off shrooms and tequila. Just taking stabs in there out of boredom. Neeks, I'm surprised you're still around.
I was just thinking the same thing. I'm like, damn, I'm fucking tired. I don't even want to be here right now.
Yeah. This chart is disgusting. When done properly, Tasha, it can be pretty incredible.
Here's a release.
Yes. Man, dude, if it catches on this level again.
Good.
Die. You could scalp long if you think we're gonna stay in this little bullshit range.
I don't. I really think it's gonna flush, but we'll see.
Come on, flush, you pig.
I call it a gypsy.
Pig. It's a pig. Pig. Piggy Wiggly. Flush it down the toilet. Come on. Boring. Delta's negative. I mean, it's just not falling. Right on support. Come on. Oh my fucking lord. So shit.
Ed, do you play those kind of things? Do you play straddles? I got you. I've never done one before.
Really, bro? How are we not falling? Come on, dude. real, bro.
Yeah, this is insanity. You taking anything, Dylan?
Nah, just sitting on my hands.
All right, good.
It was so boring.
Yeah. Is there anything that's moving? Gold's not really moving.
ES is coming down a little bit, but like not enough.
What
I
about
rejected
like
the
bonds
low.
or oil or something? Is there anything we
seeing
can
any.
trade with some speed?
Nothing. ES looks like it's trying to move up, but like struggle busting it. Like something's happening. Something's gonna happen. We're either gonna rip fucking face up or go down pretty aggressively here, I think. I don't know, we'll have to see.
Dip and rip.
Hmm.
Here's a pretty interesting take. It says morning 0 DT position moves us to set initial balance chop in 25 range till afternoon 0 DT flow moves us from that range. That was the question, and the response was certainly seems that way. The 0 DT market has done a great job of destroying volatility. We get some volume in the first and last hours of trade from real money trades in between 0 DT. Creates so much gamma at near spot levels we can't move, and volume sellers are selling anything out the money and picking up premium all day long. Meanwhile, we don't have any other catalyst, but even when we do, mean reversion is very strong due to aforementioned positioning. Interesting take.
Mm-hmm.
What's your analysis of that, Dylan? Oh shit, Ronnie's here.
What's going on, guys?
Dude,
What's up, Ron?
nothing.
I have a 92.50 buy stop. See if it gets trigger.
You're going long?
Yeah, I'm going long. If it breaks to the upside, I'm going long. I have a 10-point stop. Have it on 80, my stop loss. It's got the potential. Just Sal's been trying to prevent this from going up, but they're not getting any push down either. So my thesis is that we might, push up from here. So we'll see. We shall see. It's very slow, man. Jesus. For better or for worse, mate. For better or for worse. Teja will be 92, right? That's the entry. It's 80, 90, 92. Yeah, having a 92.50 just in case. Just in case. Well, it's on like Donkey Kong, gentlemen. For better or for worse. For better or for worse. Stop at 80. And
That's cool, Ed. I need to get more hip to those kind of that game. I don't know much about it.
this is it, Teja. This is a moment of truth.
So, we are about to add a bunch of this information and analytical options data to our dashboard. We're actually working on that right now. So the gammas, the DEX stuff, bunch of different flow stuff. We're gonna be releasing that in the next week or two. Not gonna be as comprehensive as what you just sent me, Tasia, but it'll still give you some good representation of the data. Yeah, definitely do.
All right, I'm logging. This is like just fucking stupid. It's a waste of time to be here for me. I'll catch you boys tomorrow.
See you later.
Later.
All right, buddy. There's that log paying off. If you believe that we are going to stay in the range. I did not take it. My belief was limited.
I really thought we were going short. I really thought we were going to fall, but oh well. Bummer.
Yeah, I mean that level we've been stuck on. Couldn't break it.
The delta switched. I mean, it just like flopped around. So crazy.
Touchdowns, Teja. I'm all out, guys.
Yeah, nice work.
Yeah, I'm all out. 86 was beast, Teja. I buy stop on 92. I had to take a call, so I wasn't gonna be able to wait if it bounced out of that level. But what I liked is every sell candle, every bearish candle was heavy buyers trying to push it up, and if they fail, it would have broken all the way down, and yeah, but they failed to break, and then they just the prior candle 11:15, you see heavy sellers trying to push down, and immediately got rejected with heavy on the ask. So I mean, it is what it is, but that was a good trade for me.
Yeah.
You,
I mean,
did you
it
take it,
worked
Matt?
out.
No, I didn't take it. I said before you got on, I said if you want to take a long, if you think we're going to stay in the range, this is the opportunity. But I didn't think we were going to. So
I thought
that
if we
was
could get
nice.
over some of those levels, like 96, 04, those are buys right there trying to push up. So if we fail here, it's It's not bueno. But
So I see this more and more. So if you put out a POC, when price breaks below and it gives you this wick, like gnarly wick right off,
hold on, hold on.
that usually gives you a solid extension.
What? I don't see. Hold on.
All right, join the stream.
I am.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the POC that I was looking at, this level that we couldn't break, right?
Okay.
It's 1889. So bounce.
18. What? 18,489.
Yep.
Okay.
So you say
All right.
bounce.
Yeah, sir.
1, 2, 3, and then it breaks. But then you get this next candle wicks super hard right back over it. That I've seen more and more giving releases.
Okay.
Because I used to like look for the break of it and like put an order, but I kept getting smacked because it would just wick back up, right? So that matching with the trap, 20/20 hindsight, but that makes sense why you got that lift. But we're still just back in the fucking range. We need a break.
Yeah.
Regardless, good trade.
No. What I like, it was just that, I just wanted it to trap. I almost went long a couple of times because we had the volume and what we looked for originally, but since we're not number one, I'm below the VWAP, which I like. I've been using it for a minute now. So if I want a continuation setup, example, if it doesn't trap and it barely makes it, but I get a candle that indicates buyers are stepping in, I will take it long without the trap, but we have to be above the VWAP. If we're below it, I want a trap. So we trap 15 and 30 minutes. I know you guys don't see that because you have the algo, but the 30-minute traps are like a beast, bro, for me.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can. All right, let me. Where we at? Right here. Look, I'm watching that, and then it rejected. You see a wick on the 30 minutes, so you see buyers stepping in, and we just don't see continuation. But as soon as it trapped it, everything was like a double bottom, like you pointed out on the algo. But as soon as it trapped, I saw heavy sellers, and then on the other candle, heavy buyers stepping in. I was like, shit. It is what it is. I have to take it, but it's very slow, man. Jesus.
Yeah, it's
Very, very slow. Very, very slow. Oh man. I took a short from the top two. I got 15 points. I showed it at. Hold on. Was my. Obviously, I only got 15 points, so. I showed it at 51.50, like around 9:39.
not bad.
Yeah, so I got 15, then I got 15 now, so I think pretty done. You know what I've seen, if you put the 30-minute or the hour chart, you see that all the movement, not even volume, all the movement happens like before 11, 12 o'clock. After that, you see candles like barely called a candle, very small wicks, bodies and stuff like that. So it gets harder as we get to the afternoon. God damn it, bro.
Seems like we'll get some moves end of day.
Oh well, the DJ happy hour is the best. I don't have any accounts to DJ with.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I'm out here DJing with my own cash account.
Well, but dude, I mean, if you were losing money, I'd probably say, dude, don't do that. But
It's
Jesus,
only
you know.
it's only hurt me one day. I think
Yeah,
there's one
yeah,
really
yeah. It
bad
hurt us.
day.
It only hurt. It only hurt us. I mean, I hurt it. It has hurt me more than it has hurt you for sure. That's a fact.
Yeah,
You know,
I've gotten
but
lucky a couple times.
but that day I was like $200 from president account, and you were like, that's the day that you took a runner with one contra like 150 points. You gave it all up on DJ and I like a minute.
Yeah.
That was awesome, bro.
I made one of the best trades I've ever made, and I gave up every
Oh,
penny
for
of
sure,
it.
for sure, bro,
Gave
for
up
sure.
every
No, but hey,
penny of it.
but you capitalize on a lot of those trades, often. You know,
Yeah.
if it would have happened to me, I would have been so pissed because it never happens to me. you know, but to you, you're like, well, I don't get 100 runners very often, but I do get 50 and 60.
Yeah,
Um,
it's a good amount. But the hundreds, man, those are like one
yeah,
out
very,
of 20. I'll have something
yeah,
hit 100.
yeah,
But these like maybe a little less than 50% of the time. 20's like
a lot of
70%
times.
of the time. Yeah.
Yeah, I need 30 and 31. 30 here and 31. I guess. Oh, this is gonna go up, bro. You still in, Teja? And Teja, you've been typing for a minute now. Have you can see how for manage account percent? Oh fuck yes. Good shit, Teja. Be careful with the. Oh, don't hurt. Don't listen to me. Whatever, bro. I'll be cautious with the VWAP on NQ, but
No. Don't you have to
it's
have a
not.
license to do something like that?
Yes, you do.
Yeah, I go straight to jail.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Somebody complain if you get friends. Like I would never involve friends. Like give me money and I give you a percentage. Friends and said, bro, you can't tell that I'm trading money. It has to be a loan. But if one of those motherfuckers get in trouble and then they snitch on you, you'll be done. You'll be fucking this guy's roommate. What's his name? Sam.
Sam Bankman Free.
Yeah, you'll be his roomie for sure.
Yeah. They'd hit me with a brick. Set up a general partnership.
Teja, let me ask you a question. Why would you want to trade somebody else's money for a percentage when you can just, for example, you know, spend, I don't know, $10,000 on Apex accounts and put 20 in one computer and 20 in another account? In my opinion, that's less stress. You don't have to be responsible for anything. If anybody will be trading somebody else's money, I'll guarantee you he won't be trading the same way he does his own money.
No,
You know,
no.
especially friends.
Yeah.
You blow somebody else's, your friend's money. Fuck that.
Oh, I was thinking I'd be more of a DJ.
And then so the idea invest and feel the buy. Well, real estate is different. You know, I think real estate is different. But
So there's
I had
hold on, there's a website that I thought about doing some stuff
three.
with.
I had well 67. I don't know what that is. I had the Series 3 and commodity and stocks. I had those licenses, but I had to work for a broker. And literally, when you work for a broker, you're a fucking salesperson. That's what you are. You're not a broker. Oh, dude, look at this baby, bro. What's your target, agent? 1850, 18500. Your stop. Yeah, yeah. You're trailing those heavy buyers. That's pretty good, bro. That's really good. That's really, really good. Right. come about
Yeah, that is
nice.
an excellent trade.
Yeah. 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 They just be killing that keyboard right now.
So collective too. I gotta do some more research on it, but this basically I hook all my stuff up to it, and then it would follow my strategy and my trades, and then I wouldn't see or touch anybody's money, but you connect your account to their API or whatever, and then it
They
basically
can trade. They can copy your trades.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But they got to do it themselves.
Yeah. So I wouldn't touch anybody's shit.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't want to be responsible for that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, here I'll send you the I just sent you the link.
For sure. With this one. Unless they cancel all these funded accounts, dude. I mean, in my opinion, right? Why try to fuck around with somebody else's money?
Yeah,
You know?
I have look, I have Apex set up through my Sierra now. Or back set up, I guess. I had it set up with the Auto Trader, but I haven't traded any accounts on it yet.
Man. Wow. Good trade, bro. ES is ripping. Higher day, baby. Higher day, Deja. $5.25. Yeah, well, it's about to. It's about to. All right, guys. I got to do some work. Got you guys later. Good stuff.
All right, Ronnie. Peace out. Good work. Can't let your friends teaching with you. Damn, Tesla caught a bid. Nvidia, oh love. VIX is 1384. Moving to the downside.
How'd it come out?
It's like just wearing mascara.
I
Can
can't
I
see
kiss
it.
you? Can I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
kiss
no,
you?
yeah. I thought you were coming in to show
No,
me.
it's just like
Oh, nice.
wearing mascara.
Pretty.
It's very subtle.
Apple. All right, so 518. Where's that at? Right there. That's the POC from this last big push down on the 40 tick. So need to beat that to hopefully 18,533. There's a short opportunity if we close back 506. $5.12 now. Looks like it wants to go. So, in this green box, I'll probably start looking for more shorts, more higher probability shorts. Yeah. I need to open up a footprint and look at it. Dive in. buy, dude. So clear break of that. Up on the next one now. Hey, that was a sweet move. 94. 40 points. Tasia, you're getting paid. Fuck yeah, dude. Nice work. Some big boy games today. I like that. Fuck yeah, dude. That's sick. Very nice. Hey, Charles is back. Ray, Mama Sung, Nate, Stun Fox, JT1. Hope you guys are all having a good day. Feel free to ask any questions in the live trading little chat we have for this stage. Yeah, Tasia. Great fucking work. Solid, dude. Yeah, that's incredible. Great trade. You should tonight put a review of what you saw on the footprint and like the futures chat or something like that. Little trade review. Coming back to life. You guys think 600 in today? Did Tasia catch the low? Wait, how the fuck? Was too aggressive going into that trade, so still end down. Oh yeah, I gotcha. Yeah. Damn, you and fucking Dylan both. Why don't y'all listen? I told y'all to stay the fuck away. guess you don't know till you know though. Which I said you're probably gonna miss the fucking move if it goes, but you don't know until you know. Shit, hold it to 600. This thing's on a fucking quest. Now things are gonna get interesting. Can you take polls in Discord? I think you can. Wow, Tasia, you're rich. That's 70 coins. 55. Not bad. Damn, that kid just fucking killed it.
Higher day, Tasia, higher day. Golly, bro. What is this? Damn, Tasia. I'm guessing you got stopped up several times, Tasia.
Yeah. He did. I was just talking shit to him.
I'm like, damn, bro. Why you take all of them like that? Like,
That's what I said.
he's a fucking trigger happy, huh?
Yeah. It's funny as shit, dude. Fucking Dylan did the same thing, and he's down on his account. I'm like, yo, we were openly talking about all this stuff. Why, man? But I get Tasia.
The last trade,
he just got paid, but he still was it the thing about it is worth it?
nah, hell no. You know, I joined in when I was gonna put the buy stop, and then when he asked me why the volume's at the top, I was like, oh fuck, should I think it twice? And it's a setup, you know. I was just looking at it, I was waiting for it, and if it's in process, I gotta take it, you know.
Yeah.
But Jesus, you got one. I don't know. What's the blue and what's the green? What's the entry? The green? Yeah, the green and the blue is the stop. Okay. Hey, Matt, can you put Tasia on so he can explain?
Yeah, we're just up here talking shit, so don't come himself.
No. I was asking here. I mean, I just wanted to say that it's higher day. I mean, I should be. I'll be taking profits. I mean, I took profit of 50 points, but at this point, it's a nice runner. So, Jesus, what was your entry? 86. If you enter at 86, you got almost 100 points, bro. You got like 70 points if you get out of. I don't know if you did get out.
Damn, that dude in live trading just killed that SPX play. That's fucking sweet.
Yeah, I see. I have it too, Teja. The thing is that, in my opinion, right? In my opinion, it is those exhaustions or those everything like that. If it's not in the right place, to me, it's irrelevant. You know, I don't see it.
You have the invite to speak. You can come up here. Defend your
You know,
honor.
like I see that, like the first one, you have the two circles, the two red circles. Uh, that if it traps that, oof, that's the trade, in my opinion. But all that in the middle is just noise, you know. Especially if after the first one you don't see it lifting up, you know.
Hey, disconnect and reconnect if it's not working. Because I've done it like 10 times. Yeah.
All right, can you haters hear me? Hater ass bitches. Okay.
Defend yourself.
All right. So let me defend myself from this fucking slander. Okay. So first of all, what I was looking for is a clear sign that sellers were exhausting themselves, which we did get. However, my error, and I fully acknowledge this as a huge error, was that I did not account for the fact that the slow PA, the big NFP event tomorrow, I didn't fold all that into my decision making. So I just continued to see like, okay, sellers at the bottom, they're exhausting themselves. They're not going anywhere. Buyers aren't either, but in general, like we're down, we're at the right place in the overall range.
Wait,
Buyers
time out. What do you think about a short right here?
I'm not going to take it because I'm still in my one long. Like I still have my stop is at 18.45. Excuse me, 5.45. But
I like it. I like it very much because that's an area I had highlighted.
I would be interested in like a short at like 60 if we can get up that.
I'm looking at 54.
Yeah, 56. I have a sell limit 56.
I don't think any of those are particularly like wrong either. It's just I'm still in this long and like I'm looking to push it, so we'll see.
Yeah, I gotcha.
But
Is that your
yeah,
EVA?
so basically like in normal times, like what I was looking for would have happened after like maybe 2 stops max. It would not have taken 3 stops. So that's like that was just the issue is like in a normal times, like this would have paid substantially. Like I would have been up net of stops even, but I just didn't adapt to the PA and anticipate that like it was probably going to take maybe 4 shots.
Well, what I'm seeing, Teja, is even like if you put this, since you have the algo, if you put this with traps, that's when it's beneficial for me, right? I use it on the 15 and 30-minute candle wicks, you know, if it traps that.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. Like your way of taking the trades is definitely a lot more stop avoidant. Like you avoid losses more than I do. So yeah, that's a point.
I mean, just for backtesting purposes, even just not to avoid, even if it's not just to avoid losses, for backtesting. Because if you take every single one of them, it's gonna be a mess because you're gonna get a lot, in my opinion, right? So if I just take traps, right, 15 or 30-minute, and I get heavy buyers stepping in, you know, it to me, I have to take it. Like when you said why would you take it? It's at the very top. Yes, you're absolutely right. But you know, if I see to the left, all those bearish candles that were heavy in the so there's buyers stepping in. You know, they're just not getting continuation. So you know, it was a speculation like everything else. You know, if we get above them, this happened. You know, this was gonna happen, and that's what happened. So, but dude, taking all those stops is for me is just oof.
Yeah, waiting for the trap on the higher time frame would have been the smartest move.
Or even on the algo, because the algo trap on the time, I mean, my 15-minute, it was a trap on Matt's algo, you know?
My first entry was kind of nonsense, like in hindsight, like I'll accept that. My second entry was a tweezer's bottom. My third entry was a retest of the tweezer. Fourth entry was push down, retested that. Yeah, fifth entry is what paid. So yeah, it would have been better to just wait for that high time frame confirmation.
Yeah. Like if I send you my
But yeah, for what it's worth, like I guess like if this adds context, like I did not take a single one of those trades in my funded accounts. I'm up like 200 in those and I stopped. Like today was not the day to be trading funded. I'm purely fucking around in evals.
But that brings bad habits, Teja.
I don't know, man. I'm good at like kind of splitting my brain up. Like I don't I don't let like my eval style bleed into my funded style.
Well, look
like
at
my funded style is
my
more the way you do it, bro. With like where it's like I wait for like higher time frame to line up, Whereas my eval style, I'm just like, it's $90. Like, what do I really care about that?
Your entry, if I almost waited for it, but I thought that was gonna rip after my entry. My entry was 93. But your entry when you waited for the pullback and you added, oof, oh sweet. I mean,
Yeah, man.
that's what you.
It missed me
That
at
was
86 by literally a quarter. And that's like I was chasing it up like 87, 89, and like I got filled at 90. So like I didn't get the exact fill I was hunting
Oh,
for.
okay, all right.
But I mean, yeah, by like 4 points. Like I was yeah, I didn't really sweat that.
Well, like everything else every day, as soon as I enter in a position, I'm happy with my 15 or 20 points, and that shit was the low of the day or the high of the day. Like I took
So
that short from 50 to 50, I think it was 51.50.
yeah, that
Dude,
morning short was baller.
15 points, and that shit dropped almost 100 points. And then I took this long, 15 points, and it was almost 100 points. So I don't know.
Oh, hey man, your drawdown was pretty minimal on both of those trades. I was looking at them there. Like you couldn't have drawn down by what more than like 5 points on either.
On the other one, I didn't have on the short. I didn't have a draw. That was sweet.
Yeah, it
As
was
soon as if I hadn't had a buy sell stop, if I would have done a sell ask, I don't think I would have gotten triggered.
oh hell no, yeah, you're definitely not getting filled. I saw that one. It like dropped away immediately after the bar
Yep.
closed.
Yeah. So
Took place in like 5 seconds too. It was way too fast for me.
yeah. But I like this one. This one I
Are you
really
guys
like.
are you guys short right now?
Let me see. Let me see if I got my order.
Has it hit 54?
It has hit. No,
I
no.
am. I have one. I enter
Oh,
a 49
okay.
and I have a
51. Yeah,
I'm in a 49 and I have another one at 56. So I'll be joining you if I get a 56. This is one account. If I get stopped out, I'll be back to break even. So it's not a big deal.
All right. Well, fuck you, you haters. I'm pushing this long.
I think that's good to push, dude.
You guys are.
I think you can get 600.
Yeah, if we clear the red star down from back at like 9:35 in Eastern, I think we're mooning.
Yeah, I think
We'll moon into NFP, and then like 8:30 a.m. tomorrow will be like the biggest dump of our lives.
And then it'll retrace the entire move for
Oh, of course, naturally.
Yeah.
If you look at the 1 hour chart, you have if it breaks that 69 Teja, you have nothing stopping that to 600, like nothing.
Exactly. Yeah, no, that's what I'm like kind of betting on here, and that's why like I'm not shorting. Is like the higher time frame looks like we've just annihilated every seller.
Yeah.
And like that's kind of what I was hoping for with like seeing the exhaustion down at the bottom. It's just like I need to be able to like better identify the PA quality to see like how many shots are worth taking. That was a huge mistake on my part today.
Yeah.
It happens.
But yeah, I'm just grateful I didn't do this degen shit in my fundeds. That's going in the books as a win.
You back to green?
Let me see. This contract will, if it stops out, it'll stop out at 1,000 even, which would put me down like 400 for the day.
So after all this, you're still down because all the trades you took?
I took about 1.6K loss on those those early entries, and then this one should generate maybe 1,200. If it pushes higher, like I can probably get to even pretty quickly, but if I get stopped out at 45, then yeah, it's over.
All right, so let's say hypothetically you were gonna just trade your funded. What would have been your entry? I mean, from like when it started coming down, what would have been your entry?
Here, I'll show you. Let me see. It would have been. Crap, goddamn it. Command.
Like, in my opinion,
I'll show you, Ronnie. I'm gonna send it in the screenshot.
I think at 1040 would have got. I almost got in on that one. 1040, 1041 or whatever, 1051.
Stop here. So there would have only been 2 entries if I was trading this in my fundeds, but the PA was so bad I wasn't even bothering. It would have been that blue dot up because like it's you're going right up against the blue dot down, and like I would be taking this using the order flow window. So like the exact entry wouldn't have been bar close.
That's
You would've gone-
1041 on the foot.
Yes. Yep.
That I almost took that one.
The purple bar down would have stopped you out, but then that re-entry is still valid. But again, it's an order flow entry, not an algo entry.
Yeah, you don't have an
But
algo.
that's what it would look like. So like you would have lost like maybe
What's your
like
stop?
Yeah, that's what I'm just going back to look at like what my stop was in actuality. So like I bought 500, I was stopped at 90, so you would have lost 10 points of contract on that first one, and then you would have been massively positive overall.
Yeah.
But again, like since the PA was bad, like I shut my fundeds off after my second eval miss. I was like, let me take that 200, and I'm heading out in the fundeds.
Yeah, that would have been a good entry, even if you gotten stopped out. But the second one, yeah, you had to take it. It's a process.
Yep.
Even though the first one,
aggressive.
even though the first one was not a trap, it was almost a double bottom.
Yeah.
It didn't,
I mean,
but it almost.
It's literally a tweezer's bottom. You've got shorts exhausting themselves at the low, purple bar outside the channel, pink bar printed. If you're going to take a long, that's where you go.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And then the trap back in.
Yes, sir.
But for the love of God, can this thing either finish me or just print?
Finish him.
Oh, I just want to go get lunch. I'm so hungry. So you guys are short at 56 now, right? Or 54?
I am sure. Say it now.
51.
I'm sure at 53. And hold on, it got my. Oh shit! It got my second order.
Just like looking at these, at the volume. I mean, it's just heavy on the buy side. I don't see this going. I see the logic to short. I just like this volume is confusing.
Well, Teja, if you're gonna piss like a puppy, stay on the porch, brother. Look at how rejected from. You see that the 12-12. You see that where rejected. This candle.
Yes, I did.
All right. So if you go to the left, at the beginning, right? That's where my entry was.
Yep.
50. That was like a. How do I explain this? Like it went.
No, I understand.
It went up. It trapped, and then. Yep.
No, your short entry makes sense. Like I'm not disagreeing with it, and I'd probably short it too if I didn't have a position.
Peace out, YouTube.